What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another quick video. So I printed these. It's called a triple helix. What it is a puzzle. The pieces fit in like that, and the print clearances are pretty good. I did this on the P1P. They all fit in, and the way this works is you're supposed to be able to put these together and somehow fit these in, and what ends up happening is you've got a puzzle that somehow, I don't know, goes together and I don't know, looks like that or something. I don't know. It's crazy. I had a piece of it together. I think I put these together and they'll slide in, so now they're, well, that was not, so maybe it wasn't that one. So that's the whole point of the puzzle, is trying to get them together, and this doesn't seem like it's fitting very well, but let's give it a shot. So that's in there, but that also didn't attach. But the idea is, what eventually is going to happen is you're going to have three pieces that interlock like that, with all of these pieces through, which will lock all of them in place. I've been able to get one. Yeah, but see, that's not the right piece because they're not together. So I've been able to get one together, but I have yet to get all three. I'll put the link in the description below. This is a print in place. I did use supports on the inside and the outside, but when you break them off through here, you can pull them out from the bottom, so it's not a big deal. And like I said, P1P, the tolerances are just incredible. So yep, look for the link below. Just a quick video, a Friday print, just to get something out there, to show you what you can do and have fun with. This would be a cool gift. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.